Chapter 2. This camp is not fun. Stanley got off the bus at Camp Green Lake. Camp Green Lake had no fences, but the warden did not have to worry about boys running away. There was nowhere to run. Stanley was assigned to Tent D. In Tent D, he met the other boys. The boys told Stanley he would have to dig a big hole every day. At Camp Green Lake, boys dug holes. Stanley took a shower. Water was scarce at Camp Green Lake, so his shower was short. Next, Stanley ate dinner. The boys asked Stanley why he was sent to Camp Green Lake. Stanley told them the judge found him guilty of stealing a pair of sneakers. The sneakers belonged to a famous basketball player. Stanley told the boys how it happened. He was walking home one day. The sneakers fell from a bridge. One sneaker hit Stanley in the head. It turned out the sneakers had been stolen from a homeless shelter. The police saw Stanley with the sneakers and arrested him. After dinner, Stanley laid on his cot. He tried to sleep. In the morning, the boys started digging holes in the dry lake. Stanley dug his first hole and got a lot of blisters on his hands. Camp Green Lake was not a fun place. Digging was hard work. It was very hot. Stanley was so thirsty. He wanted a drink of water. He wanted to take a shower. Finally, the boys finished digging and returned to camp. At Camp Green Lake, boys dug holes. Stanley was tired. His blisters on his hands hurt. He missed his family. Before Stanley went to sleep, he wrote a letter to his family. He didn't tell them that Camp Green Lake was not fun.